Okay. Today is a very good day. And I'll tell you why here in a little bit. But first, the real reason why I wear this hat is because it hides my flyaways. They're so bad. I want to talk about the attention that I got on my last video. I really appreciate the support, but it brought up an interesting topic, one that I don't think about too often, and that's homelessness. I've gotten pretty comfortable living out of a tent and kind of living in not necessarily the normal living situation. So it's just become life to me. But from the last video, from what they saw, some people were actually concerned, like, why are you sleeping in a storage unit? Like, you wouldn't do that unless you had to. I don't know. It wasn't too far out for me. Like, it's kind of, that's a little bit, that's on par for what I would normally do, and I guess that's, this is not to glorify homelessness. You can be homeless for a variety of reasons. And it's definitely not all, sunshine and rainbows. There is a lot of hardships with it. And so basically what I'm saying is I didn't realize that by default, like, this is homelessness. And it just got me thinking. It really got me thinking about my life. If you are homeless and you're watching this and, times are tough, just know that I feel for you. I know it's not easy out here, and whatever situation you're in, I really hope that you get through it. The other side of that coin is sometimes homelessness is a choice too. Not always, but in my case, I do feel like it is. Why is that? I just enjoy alternative living, and I'm aware of the situation that I'm in. And, times are tough, but, I'm homeless, but I'm happy. That's the biggest takeaway from this is I'm homeless, but I'm happy. Hey, how you doing?
Good, man. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Ray.
Jackson. Hey, you want to load your stuff up, or you just want to?
Oh, no, it's fine. It's fine like that, yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah. These are the tires that I put on it before I left. Oh, you're all good. Yep, California plates, 5780, that's the one.
I got it. I pull up, I come around, make my rounds, it's my town. I got it. Hey, when I'm round, they now. What's up now? This touchdown. Hey, niggas from city be hating them niggas.
So I need to explain. I got my old job back, and thankfully, my old job provides a work truck, a per diem expense, so they cover food and hotel, as well as a fuel card. Essentially, everything you need to survive in the modern world, they provide. Even a phone with phone service. A little too good to be true, but it's happening. This is the same job that I had before I left for Australia. This is a very good lesson of why you don't burn bridges. I mean, I got my old truck back too, on top of that. Like, my old Tacoma. This is a Tacoma. Toyota. It's got really nice touchscreen radio. clean. I got all my camera gear. But yeah. From homeless to very fortunate very fast.
Recognize this place? Yeah, me too. Once again, I am back here packing. You know, I may be a little less homeless now, but I'm not any less nomadic, because guess what this job does? If you guess travel, I'll give you my motorcycle. No, I won't. But yes, I have to be in Ohio by Wednesday. I have to be in Ohio by Wednesday night. So that leaves me 2 days. 2 days to get from Oklahoma to Ohio. 14 hours. I can do that. I'm pretty sure I could do that. Long story short, I'm not done traveling. I don't think I ever want to be, at least not right now. All right. Once again, I'm fighting daylight. I still have some more packing to do, and honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna have time to even make it out of here. No, I'll make it out of here. I won't sleep in the storage unit again. It is getting dark quick, and I have to pack and I have to be gone in the morning heading towards Ohio. So I'll probably just end the video here. A lot happened today. A lot of good things happened today. It was a good day. So if you've been keeping up with my story, my journey, whatever, just know that I really appreciate you. And with, you know, all of the support that I've gotten, it just means so much. And, you know, I hope you continue to follow along. It's been interesting. It's been an interesting, honestly, since I graduated high school, it's been interesting. Since I got my own free will, you know. But anyways, here's where I'll cut it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you stay for the journey. Fuck, that didn't... I meant to hit stop recording. It didn't stop recording. All right, bye.